Good morning. It's a vlog. I'm literally on my way. First of all, back again with the Chick-fil-A in the car. And I'm actually driving and trying to eat at the same time because before I was pregnant,
turn left onto Brady Avenue Northwest.
It was so easy to just, you know, get up and go and not have to worry about eating breakfast. But honey, that is not the case anymore. So when watching my other vlogs, you guys know that I've been going to the beauty transformation studios in Atlanta, and they they specialize in custom color, custom wigs. Like, they literally slay wigs to perfection and they slay color to perfection. And I'm so hyped because I've been wanting my hair orange for the longest time, okay? Like, the longest time. And I was gonna dye my real hair, but then I was like, I don't think this is gonna be good for my brand, so I cannot do that. They dyed a wig for me and it's gonna be orange, and I'm so hype, okay? Like, you don't understand, because I've been wanting this for the longest. So you know how that feeling, like when you want something and then it's finally happening, it's just like the best feeling in the world. That's what's going on. So that's where I'm on my way to get this orange slay. So I got me a wig from RiriHair.com, and this wig is super bomb. First of all, can we get into the fact that it comes with an adjustable strap that's also removable? I literally have never seen a wig that came like this. Like, I've never seen this at all, but this is like a really cool feature. The hairline has already been customized, which is awesome, as well as bleached. The whole front is bleached, and the cap was like in a medium brown color. It's also a 20-inch wig, and this hair is so beautiful. And the hair did come in its natural state, so this is the natural color, and it's their Brazilian virgin hair. But y'all know my girl Derica literally killed this custom color, okay? I'm so hyped, okay? My hair is bomb. I'm loving it, okay? RiriHair, y'all. RiriHair. I'm feeling like Riri right now because she stayed with like popping colors and stuff. And like really fly hair colors and really dope hairstyles. This is it, y'all. I'm hyped. And y'all know I'm constantly switching up my hair, but honestly guys, I'm going to try to keep this hairstyle in all the way until Thanksgiving, especially because like it's the fall vibes, you know, and that's what I wanted for Thanksgiving. And I already have my Thanksgiving outfit. Y'all know everybody gets real cute just to be sitting in somebody's living room eating, but I'm gonna be taking cute pictures and stuff, and I'm gonna be posting on Instagram, so I want to be cute. So I got my cute Thanksgiving outfit. I'm gonna have my, you know, this little cute little orange Thanksgiving color going on, and I'm just gonna slay, you know. So I'm excited. I'm really just hyped because I really just got orange and I've been wanting this forever. Like, she killed my hair. Like, it's so pretty. The install is everything. And you guys know, like, I could have really did this hair myself because I know you guys seen like my my hair tutorial videos, but y'all know I'm pregnant and I can't be mixing chemicals and, you know, smelling that dye and all that chemicals and stuff, so I couldn't dye my hair myself. And yeah, and I love the Transformation Beauty Studios. They're so awesome, and Derica slayed my hair. If you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see like all the cute pictures I'm going to be posting, and also if you guys want to follow my hairstylist and you guys want to book with them, then definitely follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to put their information in the description box too, as well as RiriHair, because this hair is beautiful. Like, that's how you know you got some good hair, when your hair can be colored, like cut, dyed, and everything, and the quality is still here. Like, this hair is beautiful, you know. Like, she told me it didn't shed at all. She didn't have no problems with it. And then I'm going to keep it in for a minute, so if you guys want like an update on like how it's been and if I like it and stuff, then I'll definitely let you guys know. But for right now, I'm in awe. Like, I'm just so happy. So thank you to RiriHair for the wig, and thank you to Transformation Beauty Studios for slaying my hair. Yes, get into it. Get into it. You know how girls get their hair done and they just be doing the most? That's me right now.